ladies and gentlemen, now what's gonna happen is we're going to gather, wait for all the cars to come, and when they're here, that's when we'll be going off to the beach. Unless some people get impatient and we feel like other cars are just not coming, that's when we're gonna leave. So we're all gonna come here, gather here. Hey man, we're already here. Late. Guys, seems like we got here first. Nobody's here, so we're just gonna go around, look for them, and then, or maybe we're gonna chill somewhere, wait for them to say that they're here, and we're gonna come here. Hariing bafana. Wonderful weather we're having, right? Huh? Wonderful weather we're having. Good. Hey, such spin kings. Sharp, sharp. Hey, can I jump in? Yeah, I'm coming. Away. Hola. Away. Hey, pull house. Sure. Hola. So it's a convoy. I got it from the back, and I'm gonna come from the front, going all the way back. Sure, brother. Hola. You ain't hurt the whole thing. I hit the whole thing. Hurry my feet. I get to it. Ish. Sunball. Aye. Hanging bumpy. Ish. Eh. Ipiam. Yeah. Ipiam. Hola. Ciao. Yeah. EPM. Yeah. Me too though. So it's three of you. I'm giving you this one, you that one, and the last one will get into the third one. Ciao. Hola. Hola. Eta. Right. Sharp boot. Hola. This is the very first one. Manja, I'm gonna start nicely. Go to the back. Outfit for the third time now. This is the very first one, the number one. And I'm gonna go back all the way. How do you aim my feet? I'm gonna try out. Let's try out something that we can actually do together. I'm going to count all the cars which are here, and this is not everyone, guys. So this number that we have here, I'm gonna count it. Let's do it. 1, 2, maroon, 3. I don't know what the color is. That is 3, and 4 is maroon. 5 is the second maroon. Now 6 is the third maroon. 7 is the red. 7 is the red. 7 is the red one. Ooh. So let's recap. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? Which means this is 8, and this is 9, and this is 10, and this is 11. Let's count. That is 11, right? And that is number 12. 12. Let's go. 13. 14 is JD. 15 is the army. 16, my baby. 17, BZH. 18 is Doski. 19 is DO53 Lesotho. And LJB. 20, 21, and 22 is LRD. 22, 23 is JP, and 24 it's BY. 25 A016. 26 is this one, number 26. Hola. 27 is CA. 28 9320. 29 is Bamji. 30 is Pull House. Meeting. Oh, Convoy. 30, number 30. 31 BH. And 32, number 32 is 325 CKM. 33 M325IS. 34 is MC20. 35 Totsi. 36 25 past 3. You are number 36. And number 37 it's Soch Spin Kings. 38 CY. Number 38 and 39 CZY. For Borosa 535. 40 it's Pablo. 41 hey Bexa, you are number 41 ne sharp. 42 X4 com 42 Parosa ya 43 Parosa de they say move. 43 guys, I counted 43. Now the officers say they must move, but I counted 43. Now I think the others might come and join. I counted for hey, send parts. Hola. All right. With this one, his number 44. So I counted. Hey, Butozzini. 44. Right. The officers are giving them problems. They say the convoy is in the road. Barari Sugang Lab. Sugang Lab. The officers are my police are figil, my police. The police are here. They're gonna go to the very first car and say, move, why not? Why are you stopping? Hurrying. Hurrying. Go, go, go. Now the cars are gonna go. Fikile amaphoyisa. Listen to this ambience. Eish. Hey, Bamji, you need some push. Okay, let me help you. Ariye in my face. Our face. Aring mapodisa. Eh? Na aggressive. So mapodisa aring. Lilo. Hey, Lilo. Lilo, you can do me an. Thank you, Lilo. Sure. Hola. This is magical at the same time. Well, apart from the street laws, we just have to abide, and the beautiful convoy cannot be held anywhere else because the cars are just too many. So we just have to divide ourselves into groups, just like we're doing right now. We are forced to divide ourselves into groups, and I think we'll maybe have one long convoy there at the beach. At the current state at which we are working, we will not win. Are we? Let's go. I got everything off the convoy. Let's get going. Let's move. I think I got everything, and maybe the other guys are also on the way. I'll still update you. You're with me. Let's do this. Yeah, guys. You saw the convoy. We left the convoy. Now, parked here. We're going straight to the beach. Let's see how many of our other cars can we meet.